Hi everyone, it's Sid Bangka here and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's video, we will be giving the food packs, biscuits, and candies, also slippers to the children that I have mentioned at my live. So samahan niyo po ako mamaya as we buy the slippers and also as we repack the food and biscuits and candies and all of the stuff. And tara na! So papunta na po kami guys to buy, we will be buying slippers. We will be buying slippers later. I'm with my kuya, my cousin, mami. Hi! We are now going to the store. Motion. Hey. SM Large. So, see you there. Ito na guys. Ang dami mga chinelas. Ako. Ito na. Ang din na lang na din. Ang isa na. Ayaw. Ano? Kasi sinabi ka na. Maraming sa... Ito po. Ang mga slippers. 100 pesos. 100 pesos.
Thank you. Merry Christmas.
Happy New Year. Oh yeah?
Dire. Oh. So, ito na po siya guys. Mga slippers, mga food. I-repack pa po namin ngayon dyan sa may beautiful carpet. And yeah, i-ano lang namin.
So we are now repacking our foods. Bang bang.
Oh no!
Oh, wala ko. Joke.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because...
Bang bang. Ganito. You open this. Wait, open this. Then you get this. Ganyan lang guys. We have 100 pieces of bang bang, I think. Yan, mga repack lang para kayong nasa grocery store. And so here it is guys. We are almost done. Ito na lang po yung mga star cups na lang. And we will start putting in the cellophane, one each. Tapos dun po, dalawa-dalawa. So, yeah.
Here it is guys. Ito na po yung mga repack namin. Almost done na po. We are so very overwhelmed, tired. Ito guys, almost na talaga. Nag-cry si Mami. Almost na. Malapit nang mahuman. Say hi. Tapos na sila. They are done. Bye. Spaghetti. Thank you so much to Nanay Myrna and everyone and to my mother and my ate Nani. Ito na yung mga foods packs. Tura na. So we are done packaging, putting the we are done putting the foods and slippers at the back of our car, and
Char, at the back of my car. Service na lang, Char. We are done putting it and we are now going to Sinuda. And I am with Nanay Myrna and Auntie Jenny. With okay, guys, see you there. We are here now, guys. And we are just waiting for the kids to come so that we can give food. So, I will video it later na lang. We are on the poor. Diyan po kami mamimigay ng mga food.
Tungkol sa bagyo! Sino kita lang? Magkapit!
Dito. Matabunan man sila.
Hindi na naka-text.
Maestra gini ka, te. Maestra gini ka.
Pwede lang ko. Maestra sa daycare. Mani siya si Kuya Sid, ha? Ay, kailan mo? Mani na sa picture. Si Kuya. Kadili ka tubag, itagakan. Kinsa ni, si Kuya? Kasi si Kuya Sid. Oo. Hindi, maunis si Kuhan. Nakailan mo ni Kuya Sid? Kuman dito na kayo. Pero yung exit kayo, iso dito. Sama, sagot ka?
Hello.
Ako rin nakita na ako yung
We are done giving the foods to the kids. Yeah, not yet, but if we see some kids in the road, we will give this snacks po. Food gihapon. Food. Yun, guys. May food pa naman po kami dun. So, may bibigyan pa po kami if may makikita pa kami. So, see you na lang.
guys, nabigay na po namin ang mga food packs and slippers and stuffs po para sa mga children.
They were so happy po that they received a small gift of me, and I am also very happy that they appreciated my small gift to them. And thank you po sa mga donors and sponsors po na nag-donate para po maka-help po ako sa mga children. And yun po, I am so very, very happy. And thank you so much po ulit. And
Yes po, I would like to thank everyone who helped me po to distribute the food and slippers. And more than 200 children po ang nabigyan po namin ng food and slippers and stuff po. And yun lang po. Thank you so much for watching my vlog, and please like and subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you will be notified whenever I upload covers and vlogs. See you on my next cover or vlog. Bye!